Hi, this is Brianna with 21st Century Leader Video 2, focusing on the International Society for Technology and Education Standard 2 Digital Age Learning Culture. Educational administrators create, promote, and sustain a dynamic digital age learning culture that provides rigorous, relevant, and engaging education for all students. This standard is broken into 5 substandards, which I will speak to individually. Substandard 1 states ensure instructional innovation focused on continuous improvement of digital age learning. I plan to address this substandard in 3 different ways. One is professional development for teachers, setting aside strict time just for training on technology and professional development in educational technology, and differentiating this professional development to meet the technological abilities of my teaching staff. The second is having a professional development website that teachers can access at any time, and having resources on there including articles about educational technology, links to videos from YouTube, TeacherTube, and other sources which show technology being used in the classroom or explain educational technology practices, as well as links to the training videos of our different curriculum and how to use the technology pieces that come with our curriculum. The third way is to work with our district technology coach to arrange professional development sessions on various tech topics that either the staff show they need resources and professional development on, or ones that we see a lack of on the site that we know would help meet the needs of our students. The second substandard states to model and promote the frequent and effective use of technology for learning. The 2 ways I would address this standard is to use technology in staff meetings, finding different resources and implementing them into my staff meetings, and then having teachers discuss how they would implement this in the classroom with their students. The second way is to assign a technology site coach that teachers can go to as a resource for technology questions. The third substandard states to provide learner-centered environments equipped with technology and learning resources to meet the individual diverse needs of all learners. 2 ways I plan to address this would be to manage site funds appropriately while working with district personnel to purchase technology pieces that will benefit the students. The other way is to research and buy technology components such as video recording items, computer tablet controlled robots, and different maker spaces that can be turned into a tech lab or even a tech library in which teachers can check out the materials to use with their students. The fourth substandard states to ensure effective practice in the study of technology and its infusion across the curriculum. One way that I would address this, again, is to set a schedule of a designated time devoted to technology for professional development, as well as conducting evaluations and also just check-ins in the classroom, informal observations to see if teachers are using technology in the classrooms. The 5th substandard states promote and participate in local, national, and global learning communities that stimulate innovation, creativity, and digital age collaboration. 3 different ways that I plan to address this standard would be for myself to join these different communities to be continually learning myself so I can bring this information to my staff. The second way would be on the professional development website, putting links that would connect my teachers to those communities of teachers, allowing them to collaborate in the Department of Technology. A third way I would address this substandard is to reach out to these various organizations about sending someone to come to our staff and speak to them during a staff meeting or in a different professional development time about technology resources, educational technology, and innovative ways they can use technology in the classroom. By using professional development, modeling the use of technology, connecting the teachers to communities who also use technology, and making sure to purchase the items that teachers need to incorporate technology, my plan would be to sustain a dynamic digital age learning culture, providing the rigorous, relevant, and engaging education for all students that steers them to their 21st century learning needs.